How to install 6-light elegant wooden bead chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Adjust the steering joint to the vertical direction. Then push the tube down to the bottom of steering joint. Thread the tube onto the threaded nipple of fixture body till tighten. Hang the bead chains onto the rings of fixture body. Attach a quick link to connect to chain and the loop on the top of fixture. String the bead chain and bead chain curtain through the fixture body. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.